the start of 2021 has indeed been cold and dark. The level of COVID in our communities has continued to be high, and that, alongside our usual winter pressures, has put an enormous strain on our services and indeed on each and every one of us. Not only the pressures at work continue, but all of the other pressures that we're all experiencing in our everyday lives, whether that be homeschooling, whether that be worried about friends and family that we can't be with, whether that be not being able to get out and about and enjoy any sunshine we see, all takes its toll on us. And I know that we're all tired. I cannot believe that it's been a year since we started this response. And every day goes by, I am constantly amazed by the resilience and hard work that I see all around me. But I know a lot of us are tired, and we need to make sure that even in these most difficult of days, we're doing our best to find that little space for us to just think about our own well-being and to maybe use some of the resources that are out there for us. So I'm going to ask the team to post some of the links to those resources, and please make use of them if you think they'll help. Little things can help too. I know that I try to at least have a few wee minutes with some of my friends and my supports, and a wee chat on the phone or a quick Teams catch up, maybe with a cup of coffee in my hand, just to try and take a little bit of the strain and stress out the day. And with all of this, we also have some great news. So we are really cracking on with getting the vaccine out there. And I think the last time I looked, over 20,000 people in Aberdeenshire had their vaccinations. So we've vaccinated the majority of our residents in care homes and other residential settings, and a huge number of staff have come forward to get their vaccines. So that's lots and lots of people who have got a little bit more protection than they did a few weeks ago. So I'm really grateful to everybody who's worked so hard to make that happen. And although sometimes the challenge of getting the mass vaccinations out there seems huge, every day I see the plans coming together and us getting a little bit step forward to what we need to do there. But I'm afraid I do have a further ask of you all. So we know that we want to keep up with whatever vaccination supply we have. But to do that, and despite all the recruiting we've done, and my thanks to everybody who's come back or come back into the profession to try and get those vaccinations out, we are still going to need others to do more. So if you can, if you're at all able to put yourself forward to being a vaccinator, please, I ask you to do so. It doesn't need to be a huge commitment, just a few shifts, a handful of shifts could make all the difference. So please, take care of yourself, use the resources that are out there, because some of them are really, really good. But take care, stay safe, and look after yourselves. And I'll speak to you soon. Thank you.